morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Time is 9:21 and I'll place my orders. So about the market first, the bank nifty is down. I think it's 260 250 points, somewhere around that. Nifty is down 70 points and looks like it's going down or stabilizing at this point. Yeah, it's gap down, so okay, it has made a move up. Anyways, let me place my straddle first. Nifty, oh sorry, neutral, straddle. Today is Wednesday, so I will go with 3 lots. Okay, stop losses. So 40% stop loss, 116. And this also 119. Okay, so it's done. For the strangle now. $45, I'll go with 45 instead of 55. Here also it is 45. So I'll go 6 lots, trade all. Okay, good enough. $94. So 90.8. Okay. So the orders are placed. I will exit the positions at 320 and will not be looking at them in between. So, and I'll update you in the evening. Okay, bye bye. Good evening everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today was quite a comfortable day. There was not much swings. In Nifty there was some issue. I faced my stop loss was hit, and then this rise also happened. So before the charts, let me just tell you what happened actually. So I sold the straddle as usual, this Nifty straddle, this call and put, 17,900 call and put at 922, and what happened was, somehow luckily I ended up shorting the call and put at exactly the highest point of the day. So this was just pure luck. So what happened was, put and this fall when it happened, so I shorted the call at 82.8 and the put at 85.20. so the put was actually because of this fall when it happened, so this fall. So at 10, around 9:48, 9:48, yeah, 9:59, 10 o'clock, yeah, 10 o'clock. So the put leg was gone, and and then the market started rising. So I thought I'm done, it's going to be a double. But because of Wednesday, today was a Wednesday, so even though market rose almost exactly to the same point where it was earlier, so because of being Wednesday, the decay was much faster actually. So if you know about options, this property about time decay, that's why we sell options. That is the main reason we sell options. So what happened was this. So this is the chart of the call option. Okay, so I sold the call option, and as I said, luckily I sold at the highest point, so I got the best price, I guess, for the call, and that was 82.8. and when the fall happened, so the call reduced to almost 40 rupees, but then it rose again. If you see, the market almost came back to this level, and yet the call price did not even come to the price at which I sold it. So forget about hitting the stop loss, it did not even come close to the earlier price of at which I sold this call. And after that, the decline happened, and I got back good points from this call. So 82 I sold it, I covered it at 25, so around 57 points I gained in this call, and I lost somewhere like so 85 and 119, so 15, 19, 34 points I lost. And okay, so if you see here, so this is the total gain in the Nifty straddle. And if you have seen my video, you would see that this straddle has not given me a single day's loss till date. I mean, I think this is 11th or 12th, maybe 11th, and yet it is still positive consecutively. Okay, now let us go back to the Nifty Bank. In case of Nifty Bank, it was almost, I was in profit immediately, and it remained in profit till the end. Actually, what happened was, if you see the movement is, I mean, I sold the call at 38,600 and sold the put at 36,900, and if you see the range of the index, I mean, it was so tight, 37,864 and 37,520. So 350 point movement, and this 350 point movement actually did not harm me, did not even this position, this strangle did not even go into red the whole day. So this bank Nifty strangle that you see, the 6,889, this was the final value, but whole day it was in green only. So it was quite a comfortable day actually. There was not much. I mean, whole day I was in green only. There was not red. Some at this point, when my this put stop loss was hit, I came close to break even. But even then, it was break even, positive, something like that was going on. But after that, because of the decay only and not much movement on the Nifty Bank, so it was completely positive. There was not any kind of adverse movement to affect. So this is the today's total profit, around 10,000. So I'll tell you how much ROI it is, so that you have a perspective. Now some people might say, for this capital that I'm deploying, say 13 lakhs I deployed for these two strategies. Sorry, I don't know what happened. Okay, so 0.75%, so around 0.7% ROI. Now there will be people who will say 13 lakh you are deploying into gaining only 10,000 whole day. I mean, for me that's actually extremely good number. Yeah, target is 1%, but 0.5 to 1% is a very good number for me. I don't deny that. And if some people are thinking that it's a very less number, I mean, yeah, you can take more risk and try to get maybe 1%, maybe 2%, but whatever you're targeting, it comes with proportionate risk, and if you accept those losses, then you can take those positions. Now I don't feel comfortable taking that kind of losses. Maybe in future I will, but not at present. So this is why I'm continuing with this strategy. Now, being a Wednesday and Thursday, those are the only days which are mostly profitable. Fridays are also profitable, but Wednesday and Thursdays actually give you good returns. So there is a possibility of 0.7, and tomorrow Thursday, if stops are not hit, then we can comfortably make 2%, and if stops are hit, then it's a break-even trade. That's what happens on Thursdays. Either it's break-even or it's 2%, or I can lose 2% also. That is also a possibility if my double stops are hit, which can happen. Anything can happen in the market. So first thing is, anything can happen. Always remember this. The second is, you don't need to know what is going to happen next to make money in the markets. So now these are two actually very popular quotes by a famous author, Mark Douglas. If you know about him, you can Google him. So that's where I've learned about these things, to think in terms of probability, wins and losses, and you need to see the bigger picture. You don't have to get attached to any single day. I mean, there will be loss days and there will be win days, so you have to accept both outcomes. You cannot expect कि each day I will be winning or each day I will be losing. Losing streak comes and then you start thinking, यार मेरा strategy खराब है, छोड़ देते इसको, अभी क्यों कर रहे हैं. But that is a normal outcome. If you have done a back test, if you अगर आपने पूरा अच्छे से research किया है, then you know कि ये normal outcome है when you are running a probability game which has a certain probability एंड अभी ये स्ट्रेटेजी का ये आना ही है इसमें. इट्स नॉट समथिंग एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी हैपनिंग, and you are protecting yourself by putting these stop losses so that when the loss happens it's limited, so that it doesn't affect your past profits also or the future profits also. तो जिस दिन लॉस आप ले रहे हो बेसिकली आप ये कर रहे हो कि मैं अपने आने वाले जो विन्स हैं उनको बचा रहा हूँ, या जो मेरे विन्स हुए हैं उनको बचा रहा हूँ. सो दिस इज़ हाउ यू नीड टू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग if you really want to make money in this, because those lost days actually are just one of the outcomes and you have to accept so that your overall return is positive. I hope I am clear on this point. Anyways, so this was total position, today's position. Not much happened, and so comfortably. Anyways, you will find the link for the Excel sheets in the description box, and you can check the performance, how the strategies are performing. So the Strangle is okay, but the Straddle is doing exceptionally well. I know that's too rosy to see a picture like that, but let's see how it performs in new future trades. Okay, so I'll see you next time, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I'm sharing these my actual trades for these option strategies so that you can have an idea if these give you a return or not. I mean, there is a lot of content available on YouTube, but nobody is doing this. That's what I found, that I have a strategy which gives certain percentage of return. People will give you a strategy, they will tell you much returns, but nobody is doing any real trades. I mean, they may do 1 day or 2 day. I am running a series of trades just so that you can form a bigger picture and have an idea that overall what's the return actually coming. Okay, so I'll see you next time. Goodbye, take care, thank you.